Many job seekers mindlessly send out their resume without as much as giving a thought to a cover letter. So if you've been doing the same and you're wondering why you haven't heard back from the recruiter, here's why. A cover letter is your resume's best friend and should aim to highlight the reasons why you're a great fit for the job in just 3 paragraphs. So let me walk you through the steps of writing an eye-catching cover letter. Number 1. Address the hiring manager correctly. Whatever you do, make sure to address the correct person when opening your cover letter. The simple mistake of using the generic phrase, "Dear hiring manager," could cost you the job. Instead, do a bit of digging to find out who you'll potentially be interviewing with. Number 2. Don't repeat information from your resume. Your cover letter should support your resume, so instead of using the same information, make connections between the key points in your resume. For example, expand on your experience by discussing the methods that you used and the results you achieved in your previous positions. Number 3. Use keywords from the job specification. To make your cover letter unique, use keywords from the job posting to highlight your skills. By doing so, you'll also ensure that your cover letter makes its way through ATS software and into the hands of the hiring manager. Number 4. Keep your cover letter short and sweet. Recruiters only spend around 10 seconds reading through your cover letter, so you'll need to keep it short and precise. Within 3 paragraphs, you'll have more than enough space to convince the hiring manager that you're a good fit for the job. Start off by opening the letter with a brief introduction on who you are, what role you're applying to, and why you think you're capable of doing the job. Then continue to discuss your most recent experience by providing evidence of your accomplishments. Finish off by thanking the employer for their time and encourage them to get in touch. If you've had any major employment gaps, here's where you should explain the reasons why. Number 5. Pay attention to the structure of your cover letter. To ensure your cover letter is readable and attractive, you'll need to pay attention to your font size and layout. Your letter should begin with the date, your name and address in the top left-hand corner. Your font should also be the same throughout and sized between 10 and 12. And don't forget to add hyperlinks to your LinkedIn profile, portfolio, and other supporting documents. Number 6. Don't forget to proofread. Even if you're the best writer in the world, you're bound to make a few typos every now and again. So before sending your cover letter off, run it through a proofreading tool or ask a trusted friend to have a read over. So that's all you need to increase your chances of securing the job. That said, if you're looking for more advice, visit careeraddict.com. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips and tricks.